In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix on your PC. Netflix has a desktop version for the application, so you can easily download it for Windows. All you do is click on the search bar on the bottom and open up your Microsoft Store. Make sure you download it from the Microsoft Store and avoid downloading it from any other website that you see online. Click on the Microsoft option and just search for Netflix on the search bar on the top. And just click on the Netflix application. What you do, you'll see the app of Netflix. Now you just need to click on Get, and this application will start to download for your PC. Once the download is complete, you'll see an open button. You just click on it and the Netflix application will open up on your Windows. Now you can sign in to your account of Netflix and start watching movies and TV shows. So that was a quick and easy video on how to download Netflix on your PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.